Unlock the power of English, 10 fast-track learning tips. Looking to learn English quickly? They say, surround yourself with the English language. Engage in conversation, listen to English music, or watch English movies. Grammar is your friend. Focus on understanding and using grammatical rules. Practice makes perfect, so write and speak English every day. Expand your vocabulary. Learn new words daily. Remember, context is key. Understand when and how to use these words correctly. Master the art of listening. Understand different accents and pronunciations by listening to various English audio like podcasts and audiobooks. Read regularly. It increases comprehension and fluency. Newspapers, books, or blogs, anything in English will do. Lastly, be patient. Learning a language takes time. Keep going, stay motivated. Your English fluency is just around the corner.